Hybrid poplar, shade tree, upgrade video now. What is up, guys, and welcome back. 3 years ago, I did a video on a tree that blew my mind. I ordered these little trees that are about this big and about 4 or 5 feet long. I planted it and it went crazy. It grew into a monster. So I did that video when they were 3 years old. Right now it's been 3 years since that time. So now those are 6 years old. And I'm having comment after comment of people asking, can we get another update? So here's your update video. Just real quick, a lot of people are watching this, have already seen the video, so I'm going to give you the time at when only the update starts right here, just to make it fair. And then there's people that are watching this, and to be fair to them, I'm not going to clickbait them to go view my other video. I'm going to show some clips of it so you don't have to worry about jumping all around the internet. So that's going to start now, and then we'll jump into the update. Today we're going to go over the Hybrid Poplar shade tree from the Burgess magazine. It says it grows like crazy. Let me show you what I found out. I ordered mine 3 years ago, so I'm going to have the opportunity to show you what this says versus how mine turned out. Their website is eburgess.com. Just put an E in the front of that, and then burgess.com. Now we open this up. As you can see here, Hybrid Poplars. It says that this photo was taken 4 years after planting, and you can see how big it is. First off, that's a red flag. I don't know if it's gonna get that big that quick. And then you can see the prices. Now when they mail them to you, they mail you a bare root plant, so you get just like a stick with roots on the bottom, no dirt or anything, and it's about as big around as a pin. This is the Hybrid Poplar I wanted to share with you guys. It's about 3 years old now. It's about this big in diameter when I got it 3 years ago. Now look at it. I gotta say, I'm so astonished. I can't believe it got so big. I've definitely ordered some more. I've even went and researched the Hybrid Poplar, found out it's one of the fastest growing shade trees in North America. They weren't lying. I've even found YouTube videos like this one I'll put right there so you guys can check it out. They rate the fastest growing plants, and they put Hybrid Poplar at 2 or 3. This is one of the main differences here. It's just the size, the beefiness. I don't really do any kind of care for this tree at all, except for cut off the suckers or little limbs that are growing about from waist down. Cut them off. That doubles as a tasty treat. I also would like to add, there are definitely people that don't like this tree out there, as there are people who don't like all kinds of stuff. You get 60, 70,000 people watch the video, you're going to get a couple that don't like it. My opinion, I love them. These things you can cut off a branch, stick it in water, it roots. I gave them to my parents, now my parents have them shooting up all over their property. Alright guys, that is all I have for today. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, all kinds of cool people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Check them out, check them out. Please make sure you subscribe. You get notifications of videos in the future, and it'll make you so freaking cool. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.